Hi guys, Queen here. I'm back with a new reaction for you guys. So it has been some time since I last did a Daichi Miura reaction. You know, I was waiting and waiting for a new song to get released for you guys so then I could react to it, and it finally has come. Yay! So for some of you guys that probably don't know, I have reacted to Daichi Miura in my channel like a while back, but I stopped because I'm like, you know, let me think and let me try and do reactions when a music video starts to come out. So a music video has now come out called Blizzard. I saw it on his Instagram and I saw the notification. So I'm like, it's time. Plus it's so close to Christmas, guys, so I wanted to do it a little bit then for you guys. So it's almost Christmas, guys. Can't you believe it? Like literally, it's almost Christmas. So I hope you guys will enjoy it. I'll react to his new song called Blizzard. It's perfect for winter, literally, because blizzards happen all the time sometimes. Not over here. Not all the time. But Daichi Miura, I'm ready. I'm ready for you to surprise me, freak me out as a fangirl. I fangirl like so much over his videos. It's insane. I love him. He's great. He's like one of my top favorite solo singers. And I admire him so much. He's so great. I love him. So, let's see this music video. Okay, let's do this. Oh! Ah! Oh, Jesus. It's getting good. What? Oh my god. Daichi Miura, oh my god. I'm loving it. This beat reminds me of someone else too. His songs are always catchy. Oh damn, it broke! Ah! I love dancing. You can dance in an ice cavern all you want. Your high note. Yes. Here comes a blizzard. Nothing stops Daichi Miura from dancing in a blizzard, huh? Damn. Literally, Daichi Miura is like one of my favorite dancers of all time. I admire him a lot. That move though. Oh my god. I love how his hair stays the same. Thank you for staying the same. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, what's gonna go down? Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Oh my god. Break the ice. Definitely break the ice. You're gonna make me tear up. That's what I wanted. Daichi, that's what I wanted. Oh my god. Daichi, you know exactly what I want. Ah, yes. That was, can I just say, that was a masterpiece. 100% a masterpiece. Bow down to the king. He was so great. Oh my god. Daichi, that song was, oh my god. I thought I was going to tear up at the end. That was so beautiful though. Oh my god. He can break ice any day he wants. I like how he's dancing in a cavern of ice. Amazing. He knows just what, he knows what we want. Let's just say he knows exactly what we want. But oh my god, I love the song. The beat. Boy. Amazing beat. Loved it. Oh my god. For once. It was such a great music video. Oh my god. I couldn't help but freak out. Excuse me if I freaked out a little bit too much. Because that's me. And oh my god, it was just a masterpiece. I'm gonna say a masterpiece. Beautiful song. Loved it. Now I'm probably gonna listen to it over and over again. Daichi. I'm loving this. I think, did he release his new album yet? I think he did. I'm not sure if it's coming out soon. I think it might be out right now. I'm not sure. I'm not sure. Daichi, I'm not sure. Let me know, Daichi. But oh my god, amazing job that he did with the whole entire thing. The choreography, literally, I admire him so much for his choreography because he's so amazing and he just blows me away every single time with his choreography because it's so awesome. I love what he does with it, so it was fantastic. But I hope you guys like my reaction to Daichi Miura's Blizzard. It was a blizzard for sure and it was fantastic. It was amazing. It was beautiful. It was out of this world. So I hope you guys like my reaction. I'll leave my social media down below for you guys to go click that, as well as like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Which music video do you want me to react to next with Daichi Miura, huh? It's up to you guys. It's up to you. But I hope you guys are having a great day and Merry Christmas and Happy New Year's. Because, you know, Christmas is coming soon, so why not just say it right now? Because it's coming soon, guys. It's coming soon. I'm just going to say that. 2009 is going to be here soon. Why? Well then, I'll see you guys at my next video, and I hope you guys like this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.